If you've had the New Year's resolution to lose weight for the past 5 years and nothing has transpired, it's giving let's try a new method. It's giving let's figure out a new way because whatever you've been doing so far has not been working. And this is not, I'm not trying to drag you, but this is just the truth, right? Like whatever you've been doing these past couple years has not worked. And it's about time we try something different. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Diamond. I lost over 60 pounds with the information that I'm sharing with you, and I'm here to help you lose weight and reclaim your health. So, we're going to talk about how you are going to make your New Year's resolution to lose weight a reality. Because, I'm someone that I suffered from obesity for a really, really long time. I suffered from being obese since I was 5 years old. And one of the biggest things that actually kept me fat for a long time was listening to all the BS diet advice that's out here. Um, Guys, remember that the US food industry, the US diet industry, the US health industry does not care about you. They don't care about you. They want you to stay fat. They want you having misinformation. And that's why I'm here to help you guys and give you guys the information that you need. So, how are you going to make your weight loss goals a reality in 2025? Number one, you're going to cut out all junk food. I do not care if they tell you to eat it in moderation. I don't care if they're telling you that you can just eat it and just count the calories. I don't care. I don't want to hear it. You want to know why? Because the junk food, the sugars, the carbs, all of those things, they're doing nothing but actually keeping you fat. Because the more you eat these foods, the more you're addicted to these foods. These foods are made to be addictive. Like I said, the US food industry, health industry, diet industry, they don't care about you. They don't care about your wellness. They don't care about your well being. They are funneling millions and billions of dollars into these industries to keep people fat, keep people buying from them, keep people on this rat race. I know you've already tried to count your calories. I know you've already tried to eat everything in moderation, and clearly it has not worked. You need to make a complete lifestyle change. You want to learn how to use your body fat as your source of energy in 2025. In 2025, it's about time we stop using sugar and carbs as our source of energy and as our fuel, and we start tapping into our body fat as a source of fuel. If you want to learn how to do that in 2025, my ebook is linked down below to teach you exactly how I tapped into fat burning, to teach you exactly how I lost over 60 pounds. My book is over 65 pages of extremely valuable information that has helped me and countless others lose significant amounts of weight. So go check it out. It's currently on holiday sale, so get it now while you can. With all of that being said, guys, cut out the junk food, cut out the carbs, cut out the sugar, cut out all that. I had to make a complete lifestyle change. If I would have continued counting calories, if I would have continued eating everything in moderation, I would have still been fat. I can tell you that with 1000% certainty that if I would have listened to that advice, I would have stayed fat. Because all that junk food is doing to your body is making you crave more and more and more and more. All that junk food is doing to your body is spiking your blood sugar, crashing it, and making you need more and more and more. And honestly, what I would say if you want to be healthy and lose weight is do the exact opposite of everything that the US food industry, the US diet industry is telling you to do. Because, like I was saying earlier, they don't care about you. They care about keeping you addicted. They care about keeping you fat. They care about keeping you unhealthy so that they can sell you Ozempic, so that they can sell you insulin when you get diabetes, a bunch of other things. So stop listening to them, you guys. Focus on your health, focus on cutting out these processed foods and these terrible foods out here that are designed to make you fat and make you addicted to them. They're drugs. Okay. Second thing that you're going to do to lose weight in 2025 is you are going to take fasting more seriously. I know a lot of people tell you that fasting is going to kill you and fasting is starvation and you should eat 6 meals a day and you should be snacking. So they want you to eat high carb, high sugar, and then keep eating. You should have 6 meals a day. So you need 3 meals a day, 6 snacks or 3 snacks or whatever. They want you grazing all day. Guys, fasting is one of the best ways to tap into fat burning. And they're telling you, they're demonizing fasting and telling you that you're starving yourself or that you're going to cause an ED or whatever other BS that they're telling you. Stop listening to that as well. Most things that the US food industry is telling you, the US diet industry is telling you, is what's keeping people fat. No wonder why the US has one of the highest obesity rates in the world. Okay? Because we have the most processed foods, we have the worst advice out here ever, and we demonize anything healthy. People tell you that you're going to create an ED if you don't eat sugar and carbohydrates. They tell you that you're going to create an ED if you fast, like humans have been doing for centuries. Humans are not used to eating this much carbohydrates or this much sugar. Humans are not supposed to be eating this much carbohydrates or sugar. Humans are not even supposed to be eating this many meals per day. It's only very recently that humans have even been eating this much. Okay? Humans are not supposed to be eating as frequently as we do in the United States. And there's no doubt, there's no doubt as to why we have the obesity crisis that we have now. So, like I was saying, step 1, cut out all the BS food, the processed food. Step 2, you're going to be fasting. And step 3, you're going to be making keto versions of all of your favorite desserts, all of your favorite high sugar, high carb desserts. Okay, there's no reason why we should be eating regular white sugar and white flour when we don't have to. There's so many keto options out here. You are going to be making the keto version of everything. Keto cupcakes, keto cakes, keto brownies. There's so many options out here. There's so many alternative sweeteners out here to where there's no reason why you guys should be taking sugar. Sugar is an addictive substance. It's unnecessary. You don't need it. And I'm going to be showing you guys exactly the types of foods and the types of keto versions of things that I make that has helped me sustain my weight while still eating exactly whatever I want to eat. Okay? You don't have to starve yourself. You don't have to deprive yourself. You don't have to do any of that. You have to change your lifestyle. You have to change the kinds of foods that you're putting in your body. That's all. You can eat as much as you like of food that is healthy for you. Because here's the thing, when it comes to binge eating, when it comes to overeating, when it comes to all these things, the reason why you're having those problems is not because you lack self-control. I even made a video about this. Go check out my last video. I talked about how binge eating and overeating is not a self-control issue, it's a food issue. Okay, so check out that video. But if you change the kinds of foods that you're eating, you won't have these binging problems. You won't have these overeating problems. Okay, so focus on making low carb or keto versions of whatever you guys like. And you guys will be set for 2025 and you guys will be on track towards losing weight in 2025. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you guys want to see next. And thank you guys so much for watching.